Hello everyone, this is Ariane Arsenault from La Fille de la Mer Handmade Soaps, and today we are going to do a restock of the Gulf Blue cold processed soaps. It is a very popular soap because it is very island inspired. So the main components of this soap are coconut, ethically and organically produced palm oil by Palm de Right. We also have coconut butter. We have sunflower oil and olive oil in the base. And then I will be coloring it with some micas by Nurture Soap. The fragrance is a lovely beachy fragrance by Island Escape Fragrances. They are a supplier here in Canada. And then I will add some calendula petals to the batter to kind of give it this yellow, sandy, beachy tone, but I don't want it to be exfoliating, which is why I'm not using sand in this one. Also, the lye water, which I'm going to go get in just a minute, is a brine water solution, meaning that it contains salt. We are an island, we are surrounded by the sea, and we use filtered seawater in this soap. So let's go. Let's get started. This fragrance oil that I'm using is a very fast mover, so I will start by mixing my brine water lye solution, then split my batter and add my colors, and then at the last minute I will add the fragrance oil. I will now add the fragrance oil and work as fast as I can to get this in the mold before it thickens up so I can have my nice beachy and swirly design. All right, let's pour. By the way, I am using these beautiful molds. The silicone liners are by Winston and Walter. They are a Canadian business that specialize in silicone liners. These wood boxes are not from them, but I am getting the original Winston and Walter silicone soap box to go with my liners pretty soon, so I'm excited about that. All right, let's keep pouring. Quick, quick, quick. Ha. Now, swirl. And now the wavy beachy top. Okay. Right, okay, just gonna go along the sides and start here. Voila! I'm going to tap this a little bit just to smooth out the surface. Alright, time for some cleanup. I will cover this soap, let it set until tomorrow, and I will be back to cut it. Time to cut. And just like that, the Gulf Blue soaps will go in the drying area. That will stay there for a few weeks, and then they will be back and available online and here in store. And I'm really happy about the outcome. I made 2 batches. I showed you a snippet of the first one that kind of accelerated on me. And if you are a soap maker, if I have one advice to give to you, if something like this happens to you, like if you have soap on a stick, just work through it and figure a way to put it in a mold, because in the end, it might create something pretty cool. Look at this one. So all of the soap that accelerated, I was able to save. I have a couple that have air pockets, like this one, but not so many. Of course, the design is really different than the one that I was able to swirl nicely, but I'm sure that people will still buy them and that they will like them because it kind of looks like it's stormy weather. It's a stormy soap. Thank you so much for watching. You can like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always know when I have a new release. Check the description box down below as I have useful links for makers, the link to my website, and other information for you guys. Thank you and take care. You are noisy. The snowplow is like right there.